Oh my gosh, you guys, we're in a mall. I'm a little nervous right now. However, we are on our way to the new COVID-19 store. Hey babes, welcome back. It is Infinity. I'm Sharice, and today we're in a mall. I'm just going to pan around for you real quick so you can see what's happening. I know. Listen, I'm here on business. So we're here to go see the new COVID-19 store that just opened up in the mall. They're supposed to have masks. They're supposed to have things that you can put on your mask. They're supposed to have everything that you need for this COVID-19 pandemic. I'm going to grab a couple masks and anything else that we see that we might want. I'm excited. So here we go. We're headed in there now. We're gonna be in and out, okay? In and out.
Your voice, it echoes in my mind. Your voice, it echoes in my mind. Your voice, it echoes in my mind.
Brent, do you see anything you like?
Look at that sports one. Where is the sports?
They have camo, leather, oh leather, money, marijuana, eagles.
I don't do drugs, but
I know, just saying.
why not?
I don't know if I want one of these. What? What?
The Eagles, you said.
I don't know, but I don't want eagles. I think I want one of these actually. I kind of like the style of these. I don't know if I want this. Or I thought these were just too plain. But I kind of like the pattern on that one. Brent, do you see any?
I forgot to mention the ear adjusters. So like it'll fit to your face.
Oh, so what are the, oh, you can buy those too?
No, they're free. They come with them, yeah.
Oh,
they're
they
all
come with the ear
active, yeah.
adjusters. So they come with the ear adjusters. Did you tell me how much these were over here? I don't think so.
About the patches or just these ones? These ones you can customize on them. You can customize on any of them, but most people.
Oh, that's what that is. That's
Yeah.
like, oh, I
These
see.
are 24, but those ones are real Swarovski crystals.
Love
So those ones are more
Swarovski.
expensive.
Okay.
If you make one, these patches on this side are 10, and those ones are 15 or 20, depending on which one you get.
Okay.
If you get any of the Black Lives Matter, a proceed of them go to the NAACP.
Oh, nice. Okay, cool. Thank you. I know, it's just really, okay, one final swipe.
Your voice, it echoes in my mind.
Really? I think I like the black one.
That one, or this one? Like which one? I think I like that lace though. That lace is pretty. I'm trying to get something for fall. You know what I mean? So what do you think? Alright, so you're gonna get that one? I think I'm gonna get this one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get that because that's really pretty and different. And I think I won't see that. Okay, Brent, what are you getting?
I'm thinking.
Which one you want?
I'm thinking I never had the red one.
Okay, you
Black
get a
and
red.
silver one.
Yep. And then I think I'm gonna get this one. And mommy, which one do you want? Okay. Let me see. Oh. Well, those are all keychains. I think I'm gonna get a rose gold. I think I'm gonna get a rose gold. I'm gonna get a rose gold. Alright, I think that's everything. Everybody got one? Cool beans. Let's do it.
Are we together or separate?
We're all together. And so excited. I know, but I think you just put it in your mask and it just pulls it away from your face.
Yeah, you put it right under it, and it makes it so much easier to breathe.
Really?
Yeah. And these, we just got these ones in. We had different ones. These are a lot more pliable, so they bend with your face a lot better.
That was fun, wasn't it? Yes. Now we got a fancy one. That's all we need. Now I think we're good now. All right. So we just got our new mask from COVID-19, and we absolutely love that store. I could have bought up that whole store. Like we all got a mask, and we all got a pusher, like a little handle, elevator, pusher. So we all got one of those. I almost got a lanyard, but I didn't. So trying to be like mindful of the price points. Their masks are, you know, on the expensive side, but I don't really think they're expensive when you think about the quality of them, and they're all handmade. So that part I really did like. But what an awesome experience. So much fun. So I hope you enjoyed your time with us visiting the COVID-19 store. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that little red button below. Follow me on my Instagram day-to-day highlights at living_for_the_city, or follow me on Facebook, Living for the City 77. See you next time. Bye.